What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, Cowboys Nation, baby. But we got some thin sliced ribeyes. I'm sorry, I put a little bit of canola oil in it, and then we're gonna take it's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. I'm gonna take some of this, pour it in here. That was a lot. I didn't expect it to come out that fast. Open the wrong side. We just mix it around. These are Angus grade. Angus, baby. It's not Wagyu, but it's Angus. It works. I might need a little bit more seasoning. They kind of clumped up because they're so thin and sliced. And we need a little bit more. Ooh, that smells so good. I like this because it actually uses real garlic. It's not the little garlic powder. It's actually like dehydrated garlic pulp. And it's pink Himalayan salt. That's the best salt, hands down. You gotta know where to buy it. You can get it at Walmart, any place like that, but the Walmart one is not as good as places like Sprouts. That's where I get mine at, is Sprouts. Or Whole Foods, it's the same company. But so you got the nice, beautiful ribeye, Angus grade. You see the marbling. I'll turn it this way, you see the marble a little better. There you go. And we'll be back, y'all. We'll be back, and we're gonna put the beef in now. We're gonna put this ribeye, this sliced ribeye. Alright, y'all, I got some onions and bell peppers from the Subway. Just put those in. Now we're just turning it over. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Oh man, I can't wait. And we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. I got cramps in my back right now. Hold on. We about to deglaze this pan, as you see. Took the meat out. About to make the gravy to go with it. Got to set it up a little better. There we go. We got some beef broth. There we go. That goes right here. Some heavy whipping cream. I use heavy whipping cream so I don't have to use as much flour, or any flour, to be honest. I'd rather not use any flour. I'd rather use this. There we go. I'm gonna mix this up and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. We about to put some mushrooms into this. It'll thicken up as it cools off. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. And we're gonna put some flour in it to thicken it up. And then we're gonna use my, whatever it's called, I forgot what it's called, to mix it in. Get all the clumps out, and we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we about to put the shrimp into the gravy. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up real nice. shrimp in here. Put some shrimp in here. And since I'm at the yard, I'm going to feed some of our dispatchers who are at the yard as well. Put some of this in there. There we go. Put that away. As you can see, it's starting to lean. And then we're going to take this beef right here, this steak, we're gonna put it right on top. So, there we go. And I gotta mix this around and I'll be back. Alrighty, time to get this plate finished. We're gonna put some of this ribeye on here. Grab some of these mushrooms and shrimp. And then we're going to scoop some of the sauce out. This gravy. Okay. Y'all saw one plate. I'm going to do 4 more like this. And hey, I'll holler at you later. Cowboys Nation, baby. We out.